Namaste and welcome. Progress review of Payment of Wages Act. Payment of Wages Act applies where the wages per person does not exceed 24,000 per month. Wage period shall not exceed 1 month. The term employer includes his legal representatives and employed person includes legal representatives of the deceased employee person. Payment of wages has to be made on a working day. It can be made by check or credit to bank account. This is an improvement where wages are being paid for employed persons and the number of persons employed is less than 1000 within 7 days of the completion of wage period, where more than 1000 it has to be paid before 10th day after the wage period. 24,000 per month is the ceiling. Up to 24,000, whether they are covered by Minimum Wages Act or not, it will be covered here. Wage period has to be not more than 1 month. The word employer and employed person include their legal representatives. Payment of wages has to be done on a working day, and because of the recent amendments, the payment could be made by check or crediting the amount in the bank account of the employee. Again, the provision repeated from Minimum Wages Act, where the number of people employed is less than 1000, payment has to be made before 7th day of the subsequent month, and where the number of people employed is more than 1000, it could be paid before 10th day of the subsequent month. Where a person is terminated, his settlement has to be made before 2nd working day. Where there is a delay in payment, an application could be filed against it, and the period is up to 12 months from the day when the payment is due. The date when the payment is due is most relevant date for all purposes. The claim for delayed payment or deduction made. There can be a delay in the payment. Number 2, there can be some unauthorized deductions made in the payment. In both cases, we can use Form A and file the complaint within 12 months. After we file the claim, if there is a decision by the appropriate authority and we want to appeal against it, we can file the appeal on the order of the authority within 30 days of it, and the appeal could be filed in a district court. The Act talks of deductions which are authorized. If there is a deduction, it has to be authorized under the Act, and no deduction shall be made other than authorized. And if the employee's age is under 15 years, there can be no deduction under the head fine. It has to be nil. Wage in respect of terminated employee has to be paid before expiry of the 2nd working day. Any delayed payment has to be complained against within 12 months of the payment due, and the complaint has to be in Form A. It can cover either delayed payment or unauthorized deduction. If the appropriate authority gives a decision and we want to appeal against the order of the appropriate authority, it could be filed with the district court within 30 days of the date of the order. There should be no deductions unless it is authorized under the Act from the payment of wages every wage period. And if the employee is under 15 years of age, there should be no fine deducted from his salary. The Act authorizes imposing of fines, but there is a procedure for imposing fine. There is a notice, inquiry, and hearing the employee before the fine is imposed. Whenever a fine is imposed, it has got an expiry period. It has to be recovered within 90 days. Even when it is recovered within 90 days, it cannot be recovered in installments. It has to be recovered in a lot. And there is a restriction on the extent of fine. Fine in any month cannot exceed 3% of this wages payable to him in respect of every wage period, and there is a register kept showing all deductions and realizations, and it is open for inspection, and it will be maintained by the responsible person, and the register and record is preserved for at least 3 years after the date of last entry. Imposition of fine subject to a procedure of hearing the employee and inquiring the whole episode. Any fine charged in the formal way has to be recovered within 90 days. Fine has to be recovered in lots. It cannot be in installments. And when fine is imposed, it shall not exceed 3% of the wages payable for the wage period. A register is kept recording all deductions and realizations by the person responsible for payment of wages. Register as above will be preserved for a minimum period of 3 years from the date of last entry therein. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.